Hey familia, today we got a special gift from Soursoap Nutrition. They have amazing products like immunity shakes and gummies, Soursoap gummies. It's time to elevate this and make a delicious apple salad with a little bit of key ingredients that you don't want to miss. First, you're gonna start with a red apple. Now we're gonna cut segments to the orange. 1 cup of spinach. Next, you're going to need toasted almonds. And now for the fun part, we have a special goat cheese infused with blueberry and vanilla. Just a little bit of cilantro. Now it's time to make the dressing. We're gonna start with an easy base. To add our Soursoap Nutrition apple cell plus immunity boost. Dressing is done. Now it's time to assemble apples. That's juicy orange. Almonds. Then the vinaigrette. Lightly, just pour a little bit, not too heavy because we want height when it comes to salad. Little piece of that blueberry goat, a little bit more of that crunch of the almonds, 1 more tablespoon. Oh my god, wow. And there you have it. This is the new summer salad, apple citrus with a little bit of goat cheese, some toasted almonds, and of course, the Soursoap Nutrition apple cell plus immunity boost vinaigrette. Thank you so much, Soursoap Nutrition, for this amazing gift. And of course, it's time to eat con mucho sabor y sazón.